Up next, a 2008 105-year anniversary Harley-Davidson Sportster XL1200C. 1200cc engine, 5-speed transmission, 105-year anniversary, copper color. Here's the worst part of the bike, pitting on the fork lowers. Previous owner added some mini apes, upgraded floorboard and shifter, and some pipes you'll hear in a moment. On the back of this is a button that displays barely over 20,000 miles. The Screaming Eagle pipes ensure the bike sounds as good as it looks. Previous owner also added drag specialties, aftermarket seat with really nice looking stitched flames, passenger backrest, and the Screaming Eagle 2 pipes you just heard. 105-year anniversary, copper color, really pretty. Worst part of the bike is the fork lowers. The rest of it looks awesome. Bike is available for a test look, test listen, and test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.